Deploying an AI agent is only half the journey. The other half, and the one that determines long-term success, is making sure your team knows how to use it effectively. Even the most advanced AI will fall short if users don't understand how to interact with it, shape its responses, and integrate it into their daily work. That's why training your team isn't optional. It's the key to unlocking your AI's full potential. In this lesson, we'll explore how to teach your team the art of prompting, show them how to blend AI into their workflows, and guide them in giving the kind of feedback that helps the AI improve over time. By the end, you'll know how to turn your employees into confident AI collaborators who get better results, and help the AI get better too. AI agents are powerful, but they aren't all-knowing. They're context-sensitive tools that rely on how you ask for what you need. In other words, the quality of the output depends entirely on the quality of the input. Traditional software has menus, buttons, and fixed workflows. AI follows language. That means a small change in phrasing can make the difference between a vague, unhelpful answer and a targeted, insightful one. Teaching your team to speak AI fluently is one of the most important steps to getting real business value from your AI investment. This lesson will help you understand the science of prompting, build prompting skills in your team, and integrate AI into daily workflows so employees become confident collaborators rather than hesitant users. Every AI interaction starts with a prompt, a question, instruction, or command. Better prompts produce better results. Prompting shapes which sources the AI retrieves, how much detail it provides, and whether it stays grounded in accurate information. A clear, specific prompt increases clarity, reduces hallucinations, and surfaces relevant data while giving you control over tone, length, and format. Think of prompting like giving directions to a capable assistant. "Help me with this report" is vague and likely to produce generic results. Analyze our Q3 sales performance against Q2, focusing on categories that dropped more than 10%, is targeted and actionable. Prompting is a skill, just like writing a persuasive email or giving a good presentation, and it can be learned and improved over time. When your team prompts effectively, they get 4 key benefits. First, improved clarity. The AI's response directly addresses the request without ambiguity. Second, reduced hallucinations. Well-structured prompts keep answers anchored to factual information. Third, relevant data surfacing. Targeted prompts help the AI prioritize what matters most and filter out noise. Fourth, response control. Strategic prompts let the user set expectations for detail level, tone, and format. In short, better prompts lead to better results, consistently. To build strong prompting skills, follow a simple, repeatable process. Start with practice. Create opportunities for team members to try different prompt styles in a safe environment. Next, review. Analyze real examples of prompts and their results to see what works best. Then, feedback. Encourage peers or AI champions to provide suggestions for improvement. Finally, iterate, adjust, and try again. Over time, this cycle builds intuition for what kinds of prompts produce the best responses. Prompting mastery comes from repetition, experimentation, and learning from both successes and failures. AI training shouldn't be theoretical. It should be built into real day-to-day work. Show employees where AI can make the biggest difference in their role. Drafting emails or support replies, searching for policy or procedural information, summarizing documents, suggesting next steps, or triggering automated workflows. Tailor applications by job function. Sales teams might use AI for lead research, support teams for ticket resolution, and managers for summarizing performance data. When you integrate AI at key decision points in existing processes, adoption rises naturally because people see immediate practical value. Your team shouldn't just use the AI, they should help train it. When they rate responses as good or bad and suggest better alternatives, they provide the kind of targeted feedback that directly improves future performance. Over time, this feedback loop makes the AI more accurate, more relevant, and better aligned with your organization's tone and priorities. Involving the team in this way turns them into active collaborators in the AI's evolution, not just passive users. When you train your team to prompt well and integrate AI into their work, the transformation is significant. They gain confidence interacting with AI, which boosts adoption. Workflows become more efficient as AI handles routine tasks faster and with greater accuracy. AI performance improves continuously through feedback, and measurable gains in output quality reinforce the value of the system. The result is sustainable AI adoption and a workforce that sees AI as an essential partner in their success. Prompting is the new workplace literacy for the AI era. It's a skill that can be learned, practiced, and mastered. Your next steps are to provide structured training, integrate prompting practice into everyday work, and establish feedback loops so your AI keeps improving over time. When your team speaks AI fluently, your organization gains a powerful competitive advantage, one built on better communication, smarter tools, and faster, more informed decisions.